potato salad. You're gonna wash you some little potatoes. I got the mixed blend. There's red, purple, and orange. Some of these are too soft, so I'm gonna just cut off the bad parts. Bad parts in it, just cut it off. Half a teaspoon of salt. I'm just gonna eyeball it. And this is about the size that you're gonna want your potatoes. Like right here. And put them in the water. After I cut them, I rinsed them again. I got about 3 quarts of water in there. I'm going to bring that to a boil. And then you're going to cover and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until the potatoes are tender. Okay, I just checked them. I let them cook about 25 minutes because they wasn't done enough for me. The recipe says to drain them and rinse them. I'm going to rinse them with cold water to cool them down. Hey Russell, I think you might like this potato salad. If you haven't seen Rhonda's Country Kitchen, Russell is her husband. He does not like potato salad. Maybe Rhonda can make it for you. I'll link her channel in the description. You want to check them out. Russell is her taste tester, except when she makes potato salad. This was a 1.5 pound bag of potatoes. Now we're going to finish it off. In a large bowl, you're going to put your potatoes, and then you're going to add half a cup of chopped celery, 1/4 cup of chives. I've got some dried chives here, so I'm going to add those. Or green onion. If you have fresh, then add a 1/4 cup of fresh. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of crumbled cooked bacon. I got this Oscar Mayer real bacon bits. It's 3 ounces. I'm just going to add the whole thing in there. And you're going to add a 1/2 cup of ranch dressing. Any ranch dressing that you like. Then you're going to mix that up together. You can make these potatoes smaller if you want. Now you're going to cover this and put it into the refrigerator, or you can serve it warm. Try it. Plate it up. Made some chicken strips to go with it. Let me try it. That is so good. Russell, you would like this. Maybe. Oh man, that's good. I figured with Father's Day coming up in the United States, this would be a good side if he likes potato salad. With something that you can make in fried chicken or whatever with it. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Bye.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go.